Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by for another video. Today I will be sharing a super satisfying cleaning video. I know a lot of you started watching me because of my cleaning videos, so I hope you guys enjoy and get all of the inspiration you need to get your home in order today. Make sure to leave me a thumbs up if you enjoy watching these, and subscribe and turn on your bell notification if this is your first time watching. I would love to have you join my YouTube family here. And with all of that being said, let's get started. Alright guys, so I am starting off with deep cleaning my bathrooms because as you guys saw, they really needed it. So I wanted to get those out of the way, and I'm also going to be tackling my boys' room and my master bedroom. So make sure you guys watch until the end of the video for the satisfying before and afters of each room. I did film this in a span of several days. If you notice the different outfit changes, that is why. This is just real life right now and what I can do being 37 weeks pregnant as I was filming this. But also I did want to remind you all, please don't feel like you have to get it all done in one day, whether you're pregnant also or not. It's definitely okay to tackle what you can each day, even if it's just putting a load of laundry to wash.
I'm looking outside my window. I try to see where my luck goes. I just don't know how it slips out. There must be some kind of plan. Every person could be you though. A pretty guy with a halo. But who am I kidding, please now? I gotta realize that you.
If any of you guys are watching for the first time, I did want to quickly introduce myself. My name is Sydney, and I am a stay-at-home mom of twin 3-year-old boys and soon-to-be newborn baby boy. So we will definitely be adjusting to a newborn baby very soon. I love posting relatable content here on my channel, such as cleaning motivation, vlogs, and I have been documenting this pregnancy as well. So if you guys don't follow me over on Instagram, I do share more day-to-day life over there as well, and I post regularly. And I will most likely be announcing when baby boy arrives over there first. So if you'd like to follow along, I will have my Instagram handle down on the screen, and I always have my link in my description box. I definitely enjoy connecting with all of you there as well. Anyways, be sure to say hi down below in the comments and let me know where you are watching from.
get around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me, shadowing me, I won. Oh, oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, oh, I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna.
Alright guys, so now I'm moving on to my boys' room, and I honestly don't clean it like this often enough, so it was definitely about time. I cleaned it. I needed to wash their comforters and the sheets. My boys are potty trained besides nighttime pull-ups, and they do still have some accidents during their nap times every now and then, so it was definitely time to switch their sheets. And I also needed to wipe down their furniture, clean some marks they had on the walls, and vacuum and mop their floors. So it's definitely a good transformation in this room.
The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, oh, I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna
So I also decided to bring this extra hamper I had from our master bedroom and use it for the boys instead. They had a smaller one that I'm now going to be using for baby boys laundry, so I thought this would be a much better option for them since they go through their clothes like crazy during the week.
When I shake, watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead, go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it, that's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it, crank it up, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. You better grab that tambourine, bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene, make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it, that's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it, crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn
last but not least, I will be tackling our master bedroom, which was honestly not that bad. I just had random things everywhere, and of course a pile of laundry that needs to be folded and put away that I didn't get to in this video, but I did want to wipe down all of the furniture and sweep and mop the floors since I hadn't in a while, and obviously make the bed, which hadn't been made during the day. So that is what I'm doing, and I hope you guys are getting all of the motivation you are needing today, whether that's to get something tidy around your home or clean that bathroom that you haven't gotten to yet. Make sure to leave me a thumbs up if you are still watching and if you're enjoying this video. Alright friends, so if you made it this far into my video, thank you so much for sticking with me until the end. It truly means a lot and helps my channel out so much. I appreciate all of you guys. I hope you enjoyed and got tons of cleaning motivation from today's nesting mode clean with me. Make sure to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on your bell notification to not miss baby boy's arrival announcement if I haven't posted it already, because I'm not sure if I will be posting this video before or after he arrives. But either way, I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys.